Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a Japanese automotive brand founded in 1937 and has grown to become one of the largest and most influential automobile manufacturers in the world, known for its reliable and innovative vehicles. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Toyota, Toyota, Toy, O, Ta, Toyota. An interesting fact about Toyota is that it is a pioneer in hybrid technology. With the introduction of the Prius in 1997, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, Toyota is also heavily investing in sustainable technologies, including hydrogen fuel cells and electric vehicles. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Toyota, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.